Let's talk about the debt snowball method. This popular approach to debt repayment is rooted in common sense and practical psychology. The basic idea is simple. You focus on paying off your smallest debts first, regardless of interest rates. It's like knocking down a row of dominoes. Each small victory gives you the energy and encouragement to tackle the next one. Once the smallest debt is gone, you take the money you were putting towards it and roll it into the next smallest debt, creating a snowball effect. Seeing those early debts disappear quickly can be incredibly motivating, helping you stay committed to the process. So, how do you actually put the debt snowball method into action? First things first, list out all your debts, from smallest to largest. Don't worry about interest rates just yet. Just focus on the total amount owed for each debt. Once you have your list, make minimum payments on all your debts except the smallest one. Then throw every extra dollar you can find at that smallest debt. As you start chipping away at that first debt, you'll feel a sense of progress and accomplishment. Imagine the satisfaction of crossing that first debt off your list completely. Now you might be wondering how the debt snowball stacks up against other debt repayment methods. One common alternative is the debt avalanche method, where you prioritize debts with the highest interest rates. While this approach might save you some money on interest payments over time, it can be a slower process, especially at the beginning. The quick wins you experience with the debt snowball can be incredibly powerful, helping you stay committed to your debt-free journey. The best method for you depends on your individual circumstances and personality. All right, ready to get this snowball rolling? Here's a simple breakdown of how to implement the debt snowball method in your own life. First, grab a piece of paper, open a spreadsheet, or use a budgeting app, whatever works best for you. List out all your debts, starting with the smallest balance at the top and the largest at the bottom. Don't worry about interest rates for now. Just focus on the total amount owed for each debt. Next to each debt, write down the minimum payment required. Now take a look at your budget. Where can you find extra money to throw at that smallest debt? Remember, every little bit helps. The goal is to find as much extra cash as possible to accelerate the debt snowball process. You don't have to take our word for it. The debt snowball method has helped countless people achieve financial freedom. Take Sarah, for example. She was struggling under a mountain of credit card debt, feeling overwhelmed and stuck. She decided to give the debt snowball a try, starting by paying off her smallest credit card balance first. She cut back on unnecessary expenses and even picked up a part-time job to boost her income. Within a few months, she had paid off that first credit card. The sense of accomplishment was incredible. Fast forward 2 years, and Sarah is now completely debt-free. Staying motivated. Tips and tricks. Let's face it, paying off debt takes time and effort. There will be moments when you feel discouraged or tempted to give up. One effective technique is to visualize your goal. Imagine yourself debt-free, living life on your own terms. Another helpful tip is to celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. Did you pay off an extra $100 on your debt this month? That's worth celebrating. Don't be afraid to seek support from others. Talk to a trusted friend or family member about your goals and challenges. Join online communities or forums dedicated to debt repayment. Surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people can make a world of difference. Beyond the snowball, exploring other strategies. Now, while the debt snowball method is a fantastic tool for many, it's not the only game in town. One approach gaining popularity is the debt avalanche method. This method prioritizes paying down debts with the highest interest rates first. Another strategy is to consolidate your debt. This involves taking out a new loan with a lower interest rate and using it to pay off your existing debts. Debt consolidation can simplify your finances, reduce your monthly payments, and potentially save you money on interest. It's particularly useful if you have multiple debts with high interest rates. Remember, before making any decisions about debt consolidation, it's essential to carefully consider the terms of the new loan. Consulting with a financial advisor is always a wise move before making significant financial decisions. Salary transfers and strategic spending. Let's talk about a strategy that involves leveraging your credit cards to your advantage. The key is to use credit cards strategically, not impulsively. The strategy involves setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your credit cards throughout the month. By making multiple smaller payments instead of one large payment at the end of the month, you can keep your credit utilization rate lower. Instead of using your debit card for everyday purchases, use your credit card. This allows you to take advantage of any rewards, programs, or cashback offers your credit card may have. However, it's crucial to only spend what you can afford to pay off in full when your credit card bill arrives. This strategy is about using credit cards as a tool for debt reduction, not as an excuse to accumulate more debt. Let's take a moment to talk about the mental and emotional aspects of debt repayment. The debt snowball method, in particular, is designed to work with your psychology, not against it. When you're facing a mountain of debt, it's easy to feel overwhelmed and discouraged. The thought of chipping away at it slowly, month after month, can be daunting. The debt snowball method allows you to experience those early victories, those moments of yes, I did it, that fuel your motivation and keep you going. Each time you pay off a debt, no matter how small, you get a surge of dopamine, that feel-good chemical in your brain. Debt can have a significant impact on our mental and emotional well-being. The debt snowball method offers a way to break free from this negative cycle and reclaim a sense of control over your finances. As you start paying off your debts one by one, you'll likely notice a shift in your mindset. You'll feel more empowered, more confident in your ability to manage your money. This newfound confidence can extend to other areas of your life as well, leading to greater overall well-being. The debt snowball method also encourages you to become more aware of your spending habits. Imagine a life where you're no longer burdened by debt payments, where you have the financial freedom to pursue your dreams and passions. That's the ultimate goal of the debt snowball method, to help you achieve not just financial freedom, but emotional freedom as well. When you're weighed down by debt, it can feel like a heavy anchor holding you back. By eliminating debt, you're essentially removing that anchor, freeing yourself to pursue the things that truly matter to you. Maybe you've always dreamed of starting your own business, traveling the world, or simply having the peace of mind that comes with financial security. Whatever your aspirations may be, the debt snowball method can help you get there. Your turn. Take action today. We've covered a lot of ground today, from the ins and outs of the debt snowball method to other powerful strategies for tackling debt and achieving financial freedom. But here's the most important takeaway. Knowledge without action is meaningless. It's time to take what you've learned and put it into practice. Don't wait for the perfect moment or the perfect plan. There's no better time to start than right now. Grab a notebook, open a spreadsheet, or download a budgeting app and start mapping out your debt snowball plan. List out your debts, set your payment targets, and identify areas where you can cut back on expenses or boost your income. Even if you can only spare an extra $10 or $20 a week, that's still progress. The key is to build momentum and stay committed to your goals. Stay connected. Join the CraigTrader community. We're here to support you on your journey to financial freedom. Connect with like-minded individuals in the CraigTrader community. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Subscribe to our free newsletter for exclusive content and support. Click the link below to join our growing community of savvy investors. There you have it, folks. We've explored the ins and outs of the powerful debt snowball method, a proven strategy to help you break free from the chains of debt and unlock a brighter financial future. Remember, it's not just about making payments. It's about building momentum, celebrating victories, and transforming your relationship with money. We also explored alternative strategies like the debt avalanche and smart ways to leverage credit cards to your advantage. The key takeaway is that there's no one-size-fits-all solution. The best approach is the one that resonates with you, fits your financial situation, and keeps you motivated on your journey to financial freedom. The most important step is to take action. Don't let debt control your life any longer. Start small, stay consistent, and watch as your snowball of progress grows larger and stronger. Remember, the CraigTrader community is here to support you every step of the way. We're dedicated to providing you with the knowledge, tools, and inspiration to achieve your financial goals. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more empowering content. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. We're constantly sharing valuable tips and insights to help you make smarter financial decisions. Subscribe to our free newsletter for exclusive content and connect with our community. You'll receive stock tips, market alerts, and valuable resources straight to your inbox. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Remember, you've got this. Stay focused, stay motivated, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy investing.